So I want her eyes to be like really black. I just think it'll add, because she's a teenage Grim after all, like a Grim Reaper. She's not going to have white eyes, like white eyeballs. I think it'll just look a bit more creepy. I just think that'll look. Let's have a look. Okay, so what I've done is I positioned the eyes, like I put a little blob of the hot glue on each eyeball and then stuck it in position like so. And then what I've done is basically filled the front of the head with hot glue, and I'm just waiting for that to dry, and that'll just make sure those eyes stay in position. If you want to like change out the eyes in the future or anything, then just stick them in with blue tack. But obviously you run the risk of them moving and stuff like that. I haven't stuck the head cap on yet because I will reroute this doll. So I don't really want to stick a head cap on at the minute. Although I have got to be wary of a head deforming, which looks like that so far, as you can see. And yep, the inside of her head is drying off. Now, I noticed when I made the eyes that they have come out a bit flat. So what I'm going to do is add a bit more resin on top just to make them look domed inside the eye socket. So I'm going to get a bit of my mixture. Let's get a little bit, I don't want a lot. Just a little bit, because that's what I'll be careful of. Is like, normally I mix too much and then I've got loads then. I don't need that much. There we go. Then I'm going to mix that up. Again, I'm mixing it nice and slow, like I did before, because I don't want too many bubbles. So all I need to do next time I make some eyes is make sure that I put extra in like I did with these, so I get a domed surface to them. And just mix it nice and slow. I've still got bubbles in this, but it's not as bad as it could be. If I mixed it fast, it'd be full of bubbles. It will off gas and release some of these bubbles as it dries anyway. So this eye failed, it went cloudy. The paint obviously wasn't dry and it reacted. But these two are alright. So I'm going to put a bit more on this one. So get a bit more of a dome shape. So they'll be nice and domed when they've set. And then I'm going to do the same to the eyes in this one. Oh, if I don't miss the eye socket, that is. Luckily it wipes off if you wipe it off straight away. So that was me not looking what I was doing then. So I'm going to put some in here. Obviously, if you can get the eyes to work the first time, it's better. So yeah, that's how to do inset eyes on a doll. What I'm going to do is work on developing these so I can get them to fit in the eye sockets even better. I think what I'll do, I've seen someone who got the clay and like pushed it into the eye socket first and then put the hole in for the pupil and that. So I think I might do it that way, just so it doesn't come out as flat, but we'll see. I'll have a look and an experiment. But either way, she's got eyes, so she's ready for her repaint now. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.